Welcome to the Universe Within. I'm Dr. Bruce Bailey. I'll be your host for the Art of Kinetics. It's Dr. Bruce Bailey from the Universe Within. In this lesson, you'll design elements of your world in 3D. In the past, engineers, architects, and product designers had to draw all their ideas and plans by hand. These blueprints included detailed information to ensure the product or structure turned out as they imagined, with all the right dimensions, scales, elevations, colors, and much more. But in 1962, a computer scientist named Ivan Sutherland created the first computer graphic program known as Sketchpad. This invention helped people write and draw simple figures directly on a screen using a special pencil. This was the start of all future computer-aided design, or CAD software. CAD modeling allows people to create a virtual reality object or environment with all the properties they want it to have before it exists in physical form. They map out on computer materials, weights, sizes, shapes, textures, optics, and electrical properties. From this virtual model, they can create a physical prototype. That's what architects, engineers, and product designers do all the time with CAD. CAD technology has advanced to the point where the design and final appearance are almost identical. The cool thing is, CAD systems help us perform thousands of complex geometrical calculations without having to do the complex math. Think of drawing a 2D square on a piece of paper and then pulling it out of the page into a cube, or pulling it really far into a long rectangular bar. This is what 3D CAD modeling allows us to do, all in the computer program. Today, you'll use a 3D CAD program to design your world. As you begin to design, consider what creatures, textures, locations, weather, landscapes, and objects represent your unique planet. Set up your scene with the workplane tool. Use the ruler tool to see dimension coordinates. Add text descriptions with the notes tool. Visit the library to find all kinds of shapes, creatures, and structures. Play around with moving, scaling, and rotating objects. Combine shapes to create a building or environment. Change the color of objects by clicking them and using the color selector. Use the software to model your world in a way that only you can imagine.